Peace, 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 everybody. This is Chef Deuce Osanyan back at it again with another Beard Food Thursday. Super excited to be here. What we're going to create today is a cranberry roasted Brussels sprouts dish. You know what I'm saying? Something really zesty, something fun, but very quick and easy to make. Now, when it comes to Brussels sprouts, there's a lot of great internal properties with them. You have magnesium, which is also good for the body, good for the skin. You have folate, you have B6, and something that I feel is very important is iron. Iron keeps the blood circulated, and with the circulation of blood, it helps to create a nice full beard, something that looks healthy, to where you feel really, really great about it. So, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna use a few things to accent for the dish. So we have some olive oil, really easy. They're gonna be really great to coat the actual Brussels sprouts. We have some pink Himalayan sea salt. Sea salt is really good, it's natural for the body. We're just gonna need to be able to use a little bit of balsamic, not a lot, but this is also gonna bring a nice zesty feel to it. And then some easy ground black pepper. Season it with. And now we have the beautiful Brussels sprouts, nice and green, and they're cut in halves. Usually you can keep them whole, but I really love to cut them in half. Here you have some dried cranberries. This is what's going to make the Brussels sprouts nice and zesty and give it a nice little sweet feel with the roasted Brussels sprouts. Okay, you guys, so this is the Brussels sprouts. One thing that I like to do is actually incorporate these hands in the food. It's very important to bring that good energy into the food. So that's what you want to be able to create when you're working these Brussels sprouts. I like to massage them and put this positive energy in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the olive oil, and we're going to put some oil on it. Not too much, but just enough to coat it, right? Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to massage the Brussels sprouts with the actual oil. And this is what we're creating, just to coat it very, very nice. And just take your time with it and feel it, you know, put in all that love, whoever you're preparing it for, your mom, your kids, your family. You want them to let them know that you put that time in there, right? Okay. Cool, so we're still massaging it a little bit. I want to put a little bit more oil in there. Make sure you get that going. Put a little bit more oil in there. Right? Cool. You don't want to put too much because we're also going to put oil in the pan to where you have to put the Brussels sprouts in. So I'm going to continue to massage it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of sea salt. Just to season it a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the ground pepper. Put that in there just a little bit, right? And now we're going to continue to massage again. That way all them seasonings kind of sit in there. And it's already smelling real good too. And that's it for this portion. We're just coating it, and now we're going to put it in the actual pan and let it roast. All right, cool. So what we're going to do now is we're going to oil our pan. We want to make sure that when it's in the oven, the Brussels sprouts don't stick. So we're just going to put a little bit of oil. Remember, the Brussels sprouts already have some oil on it. So we're just going to put a little bit, not a lot, right? Going to make sure it hits on all sides. You guys know the deal. Y'all know the flavor, right? Let it hit. And so now what we're going to do is going to put the Brussels sprouts in the pan. Look how beautiful they look, nice and green. I'm going to roast these amazing Brussels sprouts. And make sure you spread them apart. You don't want to have them be in a pile. You want to spread them apart as much as possible, right? Let them hit all four corners of the pan. Yeah, just like that. We want to make sure we get all the goodness in the bowl. We don't want to leave no goodness. I want the family to taste the goodness, right? Just going to spread them out. We're going to keep them just like that. We're going to put them in the oven for about a nice 20 minutes. Then we're going to be incorporating our cranberries and also incorporating our balsamic. All right, so stay tuned. Beard Food Thursdays. Chef Deuce Osanyan healing the people through cosmic foods. Okay, beautiful people, so now we see the Brussels sprouts and how they're all coming about. Cooking very well, smells awesome, and you see they are getting kind of crispy. So what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate our cranberries to allow them to get warm in there. Going to give them that flow. Awesome, so we're stirring the cranberries in there. Looking good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a nice little zesty balsamic vibe on it. I call it the balsamic vibe. All right, so we're beautiful with that. So now we're going to put a little bit of the balsamic, not a lot, but just enough to get that nice little drizzle on there. Right, we have that there. Stir that in a little bit more, and see how it's giving a nice roast, zesty vibe. The Brussels sprouts are getting a little darker. The balsamic is going to really stretch and sink into those cranberries. Look at that. I'm going to put on a little bit more balsamic. You just want to drizzle, not pour, drizzle. Perfect. Now we're going to just allow that to sit in there for a second. All right, cool. Now after we've put our cranberries in, put our nice balsamic glaze on there, we're going to allow it to kind of sit in there for an additional 15 minutes so it can really get crispy and nice. Crispy nice. Nice and crispy. So these are our cranberry balsamic Brussels sprouts. Look how beautiful they are. See, the Brussels are nicely roasted. That's how we're gonna have them. All right, everybody. This is our finale. We have the cranberry roasted Brussels sprouts with a glaze of balsamic. We have our beautiful edible flowers right here, which are cucumber based, which you can eat. It's been an amazing day representing Food Beard Thursdays. This is what we do. We create cuisine and dishes that help promote not only the body, but help promote a full, beautiful beard for the brothers. Once again, this is Chef Deuce, the one and only. You can catch me on Instagram, follow me, get the opportunity to see what I got going on. My Instagram is Deuce Frequency. That's D-U-E-C-E Frequency, F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-C-Y _. Holla at me. Food is art, art is food. Peace.